Hello everybody. Today we are making gluten-free burger. This is very healthy and tasty also. So we'll take red bell pepper, lettuce, tomato, onion. We'll put sour cream. This is also very nice for health. We'll avoid mayonnaise. Then we'll put grilled chicken cooked with olive oil. I put more sour cream on top and covered by another red capsicum. Look at that. This look like burger, but it's not with gluten, no fat, nothing. It's very good for health and very good. Cut it in the middle. Close it. See, this is our gluten-free, very healthy burger. Let's taste our gluten-free, very healthy burger. This is crunchy, juicy, and gluten-free burger. No mayonnaise, no gluten, no another extra fat. This is very nice.